Hey guys, right, welcome to, I haven't quite set up yet. So we're going to get these ones out. We're going to melt this today. So let's just start putting them in there. That's those one I did in the last video. A little bit of dirty copper. Dirty wire copper anyway, like welding wire copper. Just shove that in there. We'll get this bad boy going. So we're going to use these today. They're the new ingot molds. So we're going to see what sort of bars we get. I'm used to pouring 1 kilo bars, so we'll see how we go. I haven't quite set up yet because it's a bit early. And we're going to probably throw a few of these things in there too. They're like plasma cutter nozzles and shit. Anyway. Oh yeah, I'm going to turn this on. Come out for a minute. It's about right there. Okay, so I wound it up. When the gas bottle was empty, I wound it up last time, so turn this on. Here we go. Set you up. You can watch me start setting up while that's doing its thing. A little bit slow this morning. It's Saturday after Good Friday, so everyone's asleep. It's nice and cool, so I'm starting to set this up. More or less set up there. So that's how I normally set it up. And we'll just lay them out so they're nice and flat. I usually heat them up. I'll even put them all in a row. That's going to be testy, and that's how we're going to do that. Hopefully we don't get any spillages. Right, that's going alright. Let's check it the thing. I can hear it's down a little bit. I'm bringing it up to 1. Got a brand new gas bottle. Alright guys, I'm all set up. Might go make a cuppa. This will probably take half an hour to melt. I'll be adding stuff to it and then we'll just start pouring and eat. So here we go. So when the copper doesn't stick to the Rio bar, you know it's alright. That is hot. Oh, that is hot. Alright, let's get this, pour this. Here we go. Oh, that is hot. Perfect amount. Look at that. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. I think that's all we're going to do for this run. So I'll go put that back in the thing. Now they are friggin' hot. yeah, look at that. Look at that. That is friggin' hot. Look at that. Look how that mould is actually glowing red. Alright, we'll let them cool down and we'll drop them in. When they crinkle up like that, they're perfect bars, eh? Look at them. Oh, I love them. What a cute little bar. Oh, here we go. It's actually a really cute size bar. I really like them size. Not a kilo. Still cool. A lot of heat in them. Oh, they're gonna turn out real nice. There we go. We'll let them cool down and then we'll get the buffer out. How warm's that now? Still warm. Oh, there you go. So we've got all them. Alright, we'll go take these inside and weigh them. I'm guessing they'll be roughly 7 kilos since I reckon they're 3/4. I don't know. There we go. Weigh this. Alright, so we're 0. What's the magic number? It's half a kilo. There you go. 519. Well, there's a kilo and 0.7. Well, it's a lot less than I thought. Probably only going to get 5 kilo here. $3.8. I'm going to get 4.3. There you go. Oh, it was only one crucible. 4.3 kilo. there you go, guys. If you like that, subscribe and the rest of it. This is in the bloody way. Oh, another bit of copper pipe. Oh yeah, so we'll stack these ones in here. Or do we stack them like that? Yeah, I'll turn the light on. Alright, so we got them there. Got 4 of these. At least they're easy to handle. Oh, they're made to go there. So we'll get the 8 sitting there. 2 more. There we go. There's the 8 there. Alright guys, if you like that, subscribe and all the rest of it. And I put the rest of the aluminium in there too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this rubbish and stack it all properly. But yeah, there it is there so far. Cheers guys, subscribe, like and all the rest of it. Cheers.